Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really essential accessory for anyone using an Elmo TX-1, TX-1, or any of its variations like the Elmo TX-1, TX-1 Visual Presenter Digital Document Camera. We're talking about the J-ZMQER USB cable, designed specifically as a computer PC laptop data sync cord for these devices. Now, when it comes to connecting your high-tech visual presenter to your computer, you don't want to mess around with generic cables that might not perform. This J-ZMQER cable steps up to the plate, promising seamless data synchronization. Imagine effortlessly transferring your captured documents, presentations, or images from your Elmo visual presenter straight to your PC or laptop. That's precisely what this cord aims to deliver, ensuring your workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted. One of the standout features that truly sets this J-ZMQER cable apart is its commitment to safety and quality. The manufacturer highlights that their products boast international quality certification, adhering to top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates into real-world protection for your valuable equipment. The cable incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This level of engineering gives users peace of mind, knowing their devices are safeguarded during data transfer and, if applicable, charging. While primarily a data sync cord, the robust design often means it can handle power delivery efficiently, contributing to a reliable connection overall. The input voltage range of 100V to 40V 5060 Hz, though typically associated with power adapters, speaks to the global compatibility and robust design considerations that J-ZMQER puts into their products. It suggests a cable built to perform reliably in various electrical environments, which is a subtle but important indicator of quality. The brand J-ZMQER emphasizes convenience and high-speed charging, which, for a data sync cable, means efficient power delivery alongside rapid data transfer. This ensures that not only are your files moving quickly, but your device is also receiving stable power if it charges via USB. It's about making your daily life easier and more efficient, removing the frustration of slow transfers or unreliable connections. A quick but crucial note from the manufacturer, which is always good advice, is to ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. This specific cable is tailored for the Elmo TX-1 series, so confirming your model is always a smart move to guarantee perfect compatibility and performance. In essence, for anyone relying on an Elmo TX-1 visual presenter for their work or presentations, this J-ZMQER USB cable isn't just another accessory. It's a vital link that ensures reliable data transfer and peace of mind. It's built with safety and efficiency at its core, making it a dependable choice for keeping your digital document camera connected and operational.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.